Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 10 foods to eat to fight depression. It's normal to feel depressed once in a while when it's connected to loss, life struggles, or hurt self-esteem. But if a deep sadness and feelings of being hopeless, helpless, and worthless become a part of your life and stop you from living normally, you may have clinical depression, a common but serious mood disorder. Depression can cause serious symptoms that can change how you feel, think, and handle daily activities like sleeping, eating, or working. Depression is hard to deal with, both for the person suffering and for their family and friends. But there are therapies, medications, meditation, physical exercise, and even diets to help fight depression. Many foods have been scientifically proven to lift a person's mood and should be added to your diet to help ease depression in a safe and natural manner. Foods with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, tryptophan, and vitamins D or B can change your mood. These foods even help antidepressants work and can stop depression from coming back. 1. Green tea. Drinking tea, especially green tea, is connected to a much smaller risk for depression. Because it has so many antioxidants and amino acids, green tea can help you fight depression in a natural way. Psychiatric conditions are also greatly helped by theanine, the amino acid found in both green and black tea. This amino acid has psychoactive properties that lessen stress and raise dopamine levels in the brain. Drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea every day to help lift your mood and your overall health as well. 2. Almonds. Almonds have a lot of magnesium, which make them good for fighting depression. This is because magnesium helps make serotonin, a feel-good brain chemical. This mineral also helps you have energy. In fact, a low level of magnesium in the body is connected to depression and other mood disorders. Almonds also have selenium, which can lessen signs of depression. Selenium helps make thyroid hormones to fight lowered thyroid functioning, which is connected to depressive signs. Snacking on almonds every day will help change your mood in a great way. 3. Salmon. Because salmon is full of omega-3 fatty acids, it is great for fighting depression. People who have depression usually don't take in enough omega-3 fatty acids, which helps the brain work properly by lowering the swelling. Other cold water fish like tuna, sardines, and anchovies are also full of omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate can help raise serotonin levels in the body, which is almost like antidepressants. It also has carbohydrates in the form of sugar, which will tell the body to make more serotonin. Dark chocolate will also slow down the making of stress hormones, which will therefore lessen anxiety. Another thing dark chocolate can do is lessen the effects of chronic fatigue syndrome because of its flavonoid content. To help treat your depression, eat 1 to 1.5 ounces of dark chocolate every day. 5. Eggs. Eggs are another great food for fighting depression. This is because eggs, which are packed with protein and other nutrients, also have zinc. Zinc is an important micronutrient that the body needs to help create neurotransmitters and to keep them working properly. By eating foods full of zinc, like eggs, you can fight zinc deficiency and depression, and maybe even other disorders. Eggs are also one of the few foods that have vitamin D. The lack of vitamin D is connected to depression and other mental health problems. 6. Bananas. If you're ever feeling low or depressed, try eating 1 or 2 bananas. Bananas have a lot of tryptophan, which will raise the body's serotonin level. They also help make tyrosine, which is needed for making norepinephrine and dopamine, 2 important neurotransmitters that can change your mood. 7. Avocados. Because avocados have a great amount of omega-3 fatty acids, they are a smart choice for people with depression. Avocados also have potassium, which is important for mental health and to help the brain work. It helps move serotonin, a neurotransmitter that creates feelings of well-being and happiness. Avocados are full of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps lessen stress and relax a person. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries have a lot of antioxidants that help the brain work properly and raise cognitive functioning. They also help a lot against depression. Blueberries also have mood-boosting nutrients like B-complex, as well as selenium, zinc, and potassium. All these nutrients help neurologic and brain health in a good way. 9. Spinach. Spinach is another great idea for fighting depression because it's filled with nutrients like folic acid, magnesium, and zinc. These are important ingredients for brain health and fighting signs of depression. Try to eat more spinach by using it as a salad or for a green smoothie, or by adding it to your hot meals. 10. Asparagus. Another green veggie that's good for fighting depression is asparagus. Asparagus helps raise low folic acid levels that are linked to depression. It also has B vitamins which can help boost the mood. Asparagus has tryptophan, which helps create serotonin in the brain and blocks depression and anxiety. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel